It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and we're here at the cruise terminal in New York City. We're about to get ready to board on the Norwegian Getaway. So it's about noon time and we're boarding on the Norwegian Getaway. We waited in the terminal a little bit this morning and now it's time to get on. Hello. So we're officially on board. The first thing we do is we go to the box office to book the shows. It's a good thing to do right when you get on. So that's what Tammy's doing. One of the first things I like to do when I get on the cruise ship is get a delicious drink. So I'm at the mix bar here and I just ordered my AMF. AMF is a delicious blue drink. Very good. Happy cruising. So we're here on the Norwegian Getaway on room 12647. It's an inside room. You can see right here, they've got the bed. And they got a little closet right here. You can store away some of your clothes. And there's a area here with a phone, a desk. And then also they've got the bathroom. And the bathroom has this little walk-in shower. So there it is, room 12647 on the Norwegian Getaway. When you first board the ship, there's some different places you can eat. We're choosing to go sit down at Savor. Savor is one of their sit-down restaurants. Tomato soup, the Cobb salad, and hush puppies, chicken and cheese quesadillas, and a risotto. And for dessert, orange chocolate mousse. So every cruise has you do a muster drill where you have to go to a muster station and they'll give you instructions on wearing your life jackets and what to do in case of an emergency. And my son years ago started a routine where we throw the life jackets at each other, help each other out. Hurry, the ship, get your life jacket.
Oh my God.
Here,
I better
give me mine. Good job.
Oh no, I'm gonna sink. I can't get it.
Here, throw me a life jacket.
There's yours.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. So every cruise, we throw our life jackets at each other. You can never be too safe. So the Norwegian Getaway is setting sail out of New York City after our muster drill, and we're heading to Florida, the Bahamas, and Bermuda. So there's the Statue of Liberty at sunset. This is the sail away party. They do this as we pull out of New York City. On the first night of our cruise on the Norwegian Getaway, we're going to have dinner at the main dining room, the Tropicana Room. At the Tropicana Room, at some nights they have a live band that performs while you eat, and if you feel up to it, you can dance too. So here's Tammy's French onion soup. And I got crab wontons. So Tammy got a Caesar salad. And I got the Greek salad. Tammy got chicken piccata. And I got the beef medallions. Tammy got a chocolate lava cake. And I got apple pie with some ice cream. So we're going to be doing Where in the World trivia here on the Norwegian Getaway. So in this trivia, they show you pictures of landmarks and cities, and you have to say what you're looking at. Amy and I are not doing very good at this, but we're having a lot of fun. So we got 7 correct out of 20 on the visual trivia. Where in the world? So we're going to be doing an art scavenger hunt where you got to go around and look for these different items in the art around the boat. So we're doing the art scavenger hunt, and they have numbered pieces of artwork that you can look at, and you got to match up. One of them was All Dogs Go to Heaven, so we chose that one as number 12. And then there was another clue that was called Cherry Blossom Lady, and that was number 1. That's the one that we chose for Cherry Blossom Lady. So we went on the art scavenger hunt, and he's grading us right now.
And you got everything correct, guys.
We got everything right. Good job. We're getting all the art scavenger hunt correct. We won this print. Good job, Miss Tammy.
And there's a certificate of authenticity.
Awesome. That was fun.
It was fun.
So at Bliss Lounge tonight, they're having a game show called Brain Race. So now we're at Bliss Lounge, and we're going to be taking part in Brain Race.
So here we go.
So that's a trivia game here.
Now,
and then the players have to go across the little colored circles.
Players. Question number 3. What was the name of the uncle in the Adams? Go! Uncle Fester is right. So now you have the power to send someone step back.
When you get a question right, you get a power to cause something to happen, like to move somebody back to space. So next up is the game show Majority Rules. So in this game, Majority Rules, the guy asks you a question, you have to write down what you think it is, and all the teams bring up their answers, and whatever answer there is the most of, anybody who answered that gets a point. So this question was, what is the most famous ice cream flavor besides chocolate and vanilla? And we picked strawberry.
What do you think is the majority answer for that first question? If you said strawberry, give yourselves a round of applause because you just got it.
All right, we got one right. Strawberry was the majority rules. We get pretty good at majority rules. We got 3 right, which wasn't too bad. So we're heading to the Getaway Theater to see a comic. Mike Gaffney is going to be performing tonight. They got a bar at the front of the theater.
Thank you guys for taking time out, not going to the casino and losing your mortgage.
So as our late night snack, we're going to O'Sheehan's Bar and Grill. It's a little pub here they got on board, and they have various treats and snacks you can get at nighttime. We got wings 3 ways. We have the sweet chili, the barbecue, and plain.